Yeah, welcome back to my channel Smart Coding by Shoykot Banerjee. Once again, I'm back with another video series. Today's topic includes exercise solutions for chapter 5, few extra questions and answers. Students, requesting you all to go through this video series, which is very important for exams. I've given exercise solutions for chapter 5, that is user defined methods, which will be helpful for students of ICSE board student of class 10. So let me just show you all the slides with answers. This is what is the page number 309 to 311. First part is fill in the blanks. Then in the next slide, part number 2 is take the correct answers or take the correct options. As you can see, students, there are few set of questions. Part number 2, which is being highlighted in the screen. It's a complete solution. Go through these answers and questions. Part number 3 is true and false. Part number 4 is answer the following questions. Question number 1, define a function. What is meant by function prototype? Question number 2, it is what are the two types of invoking functions? Question number 3 is when a function returns the value, the entire function call can be assigned to a variable. Do you agree with the statement? Question 4 is when a function is invoked, how many values can be returned from the function? Question number 5 is debug the errors and rewrite the following function prototypes. Write down the main function which calls the invoking function. Or it is, sorry, the question is write down the main function which calls the following function. That means the function is given. We have to write the main method to call that particular function, that is square function. What happens when a function is passed by a reference? Explain, meaning you need the question demands the definitions along with an example. Pure function, impure function, differentiation. 2 points are given there. In what situation does a function return a value? Question number 8 is this, and question number 9 is pure and impure function differentiation. Question number 10 is write a function which is used to swap the values of two memory locations. So few more questions are left, which will be given in the next video series. If this video is useful, students, do like it, subscribe it, and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you. Take care.